Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. Whenever you play the game, you get major ping spikes or lag spikes while playing the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, make sure if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, switch to an Ethernet port. Generally, switching a Wi-Fi to Ethernet helps you increase the speed and in turn reduce ping or lag spikes. And nextly is go ahead and launch your EA Play or Steam wherever your game is installed. Then click on this three dot icon and you need to choose the option properties. Now here under the install location, click on the option browse. Now here you will find a file with the name r5apex_dx12. Instead of launching the game using this shortcut icon, make sure to launch the game using this particular exe file. Launching using this exe files help you reduce constant lag or ping spikes. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, you need to change your launch options. So in your launch options, you need to paste these particular settings. Copy it from the description of this video, launch EA Play or Steam, and then in advanced launch options, simply go ahead and paste all these launch options. Then click on the option save. Once it is done, go ahead, restart your Apex Legends to fix out the issue of Apex Legends lags or constant ping spikes. If this method also failed to work out, right click on the Apex Legends icon and choose the option properties. Click on compatibility tab and here make sure you uncheck all these four options and then click on change high DPI settings. From here, check mark the option override high DPI scaling behavior. Now click on the option OK. Hit apply and OK button. Now make sure to restart your launcher, whether it is EA Play, Steam or Epic Games, and then relaunch your Apex Legends to completely fix out the issue. If this also failed, you need to change your DNS server address. To do so, right click on start menu, choose option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Right click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever you are using, and choose option properties. Here first of all uncheck TCP/IP v6, then click on TCP/IP v4 and choose the properties option. We are going to use the Google DNS, so choose the second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Once you have done so, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now to make it work, click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Now you are ready to go. Close it. Now go ahead and relaunch your EA Play and then relaunch the Apex Legends to fix out the issue of lag or ping spikes while playing the game. If this method also failed, let's proceed with the next step by changing the in-game settings of the game. So go ahead, launch the game and click on this gear icon and choose the option settings to open the settings menu of the game. Now under the gameplay, you need to change few settings one by one. Here damage numbers must be stacking. Now scroll down and here you will find usage sharing. Go ahead and choose the option disable. Nextly is performance display. Go ahead and turn it on. Now scroll down and under the accessibility you will find colorblind mode. Go ahead and turn it off. Nextly is click on this video tab and again first of all change field of view to 110. Nextly is sprint view, change it to minimal. Thirdly, VSync, make sure you disable it. Now next to VSync you will find another option of NVIDIA Reflex. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, make sure you disable it. Now scroll down and you will find anti-aliasing. From here also choose the option none. Texture streaming should be either medium or high. Choose depending upon the type of RAM in your system. I suggest you to choose medium, and if you have more VRAM, choose it to high. Now scroll down and under ambient occlusion, from here choose the option as disable. Sun shadow coverage should be low. Sun shadow detail should be low. Spot shadow detail, change it to low. Volume light should be disabled. Now scroll down. Under the border details, change it to low. Effect details, choose the option as low. And lastly is impact marks. Go ahead and disable it. Once you have done these changes, click on the option apply. Now go back and click on the option ready and play the game. These are the very good settings you need to do in your system to play the Apex Legends game without ping or lag spikes. Now, if all these methods fail to work out, the last hope and the best hope you have is to use a program with the name ExitLag. I recommend using this particular program because this program will highly increase your game performance by providing a direct tunnel to the game servers and in turn help you completely fix out your issue of constant lag spikes while playing the game Apex Legends. I will share the link of this website in the description of this video so that you can go ahead and download this program, and if you like it, make sure you purchase this program to completely fix out the issue of ping or lag spikes while playing the game. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.